Sermon number 227. A Supplication. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. O my Allah! Thou art the most attached to thy lovers and the most ready to assist those who trust in thee. Thou seest them in their concealments, knowest whatever is in their consciences, and art aware of the extent of their intelligence. Consequently, their secrets are open to thee and their hearts are eager from thee. If loneliness bores them, thy remembrance gives them solace. If distresses befall them, they beseech thy protection, because they know that the reins of affairs are in thy hands, and that their movements depend upon thy commands. O my Allah! If I am unable to express my request or cannot see my needs, then guide me towards my betterment and take my heart towards the correct goal. This is not against the mode of thy guidance nor anything new against thy ways of support. O my Allah! Deal with me through thy forgiveness and do not deal with me according to thy justice.